In this video, I will show you how to fill a list like this one. So here, I will show you 4 different ways here. So we click here, enter 1 and enter. Select here and enter 2, enter. We need to select 1 and 2 list 2 cells. Then move your mouse in the right corner and hold your mouse and drag to the down. So freeze, then you will got a series number. So how to fill a function with series 1? You need to enter 1 here. So we click here and in home we need to find here we need to a series. Then click series, we need to select series in columns. Line, we need to stop values with 10. Then click OK. We got a number series here. So how to use the formula? So we need to enter the equal, then ROW, then click here and right click. It was empty, so the row was entered, so you will got a 3. 3 means the row was here, this cell's rows was 3, so we need to double click here and to -2, enter. So we got here and right here to click. Then we got a formula rows. Here is a frequency sequence, so we need to enter to SE. Then we will find SEQUENCE. Double click here, and if you want 10, just enter 10 and enter. So you got a number series from 1 to 10. So second SEQUENCE seconds, if you want to a 10 from left to right, so we need to comment, then 10, then here you got here. So here is a sequence. So if you want to got a start number, so like this, we need to 10 and click here, comments, then we from 2, then enter. You will got a series from 2 to 11. It's all totally 10 numbers. Okay, so here let's sequence. So we got double click here, we go to 10 and we need to start to 3, and every step was we set 3, then enter. You will got a 3 and 2, 5, 8. Every step was 3. So here is the sequence. So which one you want like best?